Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Today we are indoor. So if you don't have a backyard or you do not have a big area that you could plant outdoor, this right here is for you. We're in fall time right now in Long Island, New York, and we're gonna get into winter time. Winter time we have no gardens. I decided to get one of these. So this is growing your veggies inside with water system without soil. No mess, no stress, no worries. So this smart growing system has an app on the phone that you could use, which we have to get in. It comes with gray and black color. We're gonna open it up and check it out. And then it's a 5.5 liter tank. So as you can see with the height, I'm gonna let you know the height as we open up. As you can see, we could plant indoor stuff. All herbs, all your basil and all that stuff you could plant. You could plant lettuce and all that. So if you want to get your hands on price on this, check in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. We're going to unbox and set it up. The moment we've been waiting for is unbox and see what's inside this box. I'm excited. Hope you guys are excited too. Whoa. Man, I gotta tell you, great picture by the way right here. So you can see that. Your manual, your instruction. Oh, this gives you all their product and stuff. Very nice company, well presented. Their product, that's awesome. And this is what you call, ooh, look at that, protected on the side. Let's get this out of here. All right, so we got it out of the box. This is well protected there. I love that. It's pretty good. All right, so plastic is covering it up. That's amazing. It's really light too when I read up on it. So like you could move it anywhere. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I think I'm getting the tape out. I think we just got to lift this up maybe. Oh, there you go. All right. Just take your time and gently lift it, this pole back here. So I'm going to lift it upward. I'm going to extend it all the way out. Look at that. See that? That's pretty cool. Jeez. So we could plant some like taller plant and I'm gonna remove this tape. This comes right off. And you could see in there we have hopefully every single thing we need. So this is a system kit. So this has everything. We got our plant food. Remember, we're gonna be doing liquid fertilizer. It's all water, plant food A and B. Just the height, how far you want it. Here we have the seed in pods. This right here, that's where you're going to be placing it in and add your seed inside. These rods are support for the plants and stuff like that. This is the shaded cover right here. So we look at the manual right there. You hold that up and it shows number 2 right here. All right, you're just going to like push that down. And right here, I guess we're going to add all water and add everything through here. So next step, we got to plug it in. And then we're going to put and fill these bottle up, shake them up really well. All right, so 4 cups is 1 liter. So they recommend do not go over 5.5 liter when you're filling that up. And then what I just did, I mix this up, basically filling it up all the way almost to the top right here. And then just shake it up, mix it. And then the cap comes off right here. This here is your 15 ml. So you fill this up and pour in one of that container right there. I did a 4 cup. That's 1 liter. So I mix 15 ml here, 15 ml from A and B. I started up really good. And now we're going to, the power button is from the top right here. See that? So, show you guys. So the light's pretty cool. That's the noise, I guess, comes on there with the light. Try not to make mess. I'm really excited about this. Harvesting right in our home. So far, I filled it right underneath of the max level. And look, it tells you right here. And just look at how awesome the color the lights are. It's beautiful. So it's easy to mix. Just follow the step and add the water in. It's easy. So next up we're going to do, we're going to put one of these in all of the 12 pods, and then we're going to get our seed. So that's how you do. You just basically take one and put it inside. Really simple, easy, pretty cool. Next up, you want to get some plants that you're going to be planting. Pepper plant, you could always, if it gets too high, you could always trim it. Kale, just make sure you harvest early. I'm going to do spinach, different garden kale, and a bunch of lettuce. I'm going to probably put all of the lettuce on this half and my tomatoes and pepper on that half. You want to make sure you put more than one seed, just in case I said one doesn't make it. I'll put like maybe 3 of them, or maybe 2. Maybe 2, I could always remove 1. All right, so I'm gonna replace that one more back there, pop it in there, and simple. So what do you do? We're gonna put this one in the back here, like that. It has a little groove right there. You pop it in right there, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put one of the dome like this. Just kind of cover it so we get. Oh, sorry. So that's my dogs right there. Right, so finally we did all the seeding and put the dome cover over them so we keep them nice temperature. And I kind of bring this down a little bit lower so they get enough heat. And these are all the extra stuff. And these are the pole when they're growing. You could put the pole, let's see, like right here. They will give you a spot right there, which is amazing. It's pretty, I gotta tell you, it's pretty cool, you know, so far. The next step I gotta do is hooking up the Wi-Fi, getting the app, setting up the Wi-Fi and stuff like that. This is a barcode we could scan right there and just follow the instruction. All right, so you can see it fits perfect right there. It's incredible. I gotta tell you, for technology wise, is really good. And I didn't even get a chance to hook up the smart app yet. I do have to hook up the smart app coming up on my phone. It's not hard to do. Is this hard to put together? It's not. It's basically you just gotta find a nice spot where you want it with an outlet to plug it in. The mixture was it's literally right there. You just fill the bottle up, shake it up, and then you just fill this up. There's a measurement right there, so it tells you not to go over. It's simple stuff, you know. It's not complicated at all, and it's actually fun. I had fun doing it, and my daughter came at the end to just put some seed in, and it's gonna be amazing to see stuff grow right here, you know. And it's no soil. It's, you know, it's not a mess. It's literally in my computer desk right here, and it's perfect. So check in the link in the description box. I'm gonna leave the link for this and more price and details, and also the refill. All right, so don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. I will do upcoming videos to show as soon as they're sprouting out, and soon as the plants are growing, and keeping you guys posted and updated, and let's see how everything is going. I'm pretty excited. If you can see my smile on my face, I am really blown away by this, and it was good. This is definitely good because you had every single thing, you know, beside the seed, you know, you have every single thing you need to put this together and get your garden going. It took me about, now it's under 10 minutes. Under 10 minutes, it was good to go. So all right, I'll see you guys next time on Green Tea Garden. Don't forget, I got checking my playlist. I have more video, and loving this so far.